Let's start with the basics. If you are trying to avoid a wild animal like a deer or raccoon, or even a dog or livestock that enters the road, you might not think anyone else could be held responsible. But here's the thing, how the crash happened matters. Was the animal domestic and allowed to roam with no physical boundaries? Were there fences missing or gates open? In many of these cases, we actually trace liability back to the pet owner or landowner who failed to take reasonable steps to prevent their animals from creating a hazard. Now, if it was a deer or another wild animal, liability gets a bit trickier. If you were the driver of the car that crashed due to the animal in the roadway, you may not be able to pursue a claim against a person, but that doesn't mean your insurance company should just walk away from your claim. Some drivers have insurance policies with comprehensive coverage or collision coverage that can help pay for the damage to their vehicle. However, if you were a passenger in the vehicle or the accident was caused by another vehicle that swerved to avoid the wild animal, you can pursue a claim against the driver if they were driving recklessly, exceeding a safe speed limit, or simply not paying attention. That is where vehicle computer downloads, dash cams, local store security cameras, or even doorbell cameras may be available to place liability of a driver on their insurance carrier. That's where we come in. One of the best things you can do after a crash like this is document everything. If it's safe to do so, take photos of the road, any visible damage, and where the animal came from. Also make contact with surrounding business or homeowners nearby that may have witnessed the accident or have video cameras that may have been recording the incident. And don't assume fault or that there was no one responsible. These cases often require a deeper look. At Auger Auger, we understand that animal-related crashes are more than just freak accidents. Sometimes they're entirely preventable. And with our A&A zero-fee guarantee, you don't pay anything unless we win your case. If you're injured in a crash caused by an animal, whether it was wild, domestic, or something in between, give us a call or visit augerlaw.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you figure out what happened and what your options are moving forward.